So let's talk about Zbcn because all morning the markets was in the red except Zbcn, especially on a day like today where a lot of investors thought the price of Zbcn was going to come all the way down. So we're going to get into all of that in this video, get into some very interesting news. This is one that you don't want to miss, so make sure you guys watch the video all the way through. But remember, nothing here is financial advice. At the end of the day, I can always be wrong, so make sure you guys do your own research. Now, before I get into the video, if you're looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. It's a great trading platform. You get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, extra bonuses up to $10,000, no VPN, no KYC. If you're someone that trades using leverage, you get to use up to 500x leverage. The link will be in my description down below for anyone that is interested. Now, let's take a look here at the crypto bubble so you guys can see what we're actually dealing with today. So most of these coins are in the red, but just about an hour ago, pretty much this entire thing was red. Bitcoin was trading around like 101,000. All these coins was on a massive decline, but now it kind of looks like it's going a little bit in the opposite direction, which is great. We're seeing a lot more green here on the bubbles, but still most of these coins are in the red today. So I would say overall it's a red day. We see Picoin just continue to take a massive beating here, right? But I want you guys to check this out. So Zbcn is in the green. It's up over 5% in the last 24 hours. I'm going to pull up the charts and get into all that type of stuff in just a second, but I want you guys to really take this in. So a lot of investors kept talking about this over the last week. So May 15th, which is today, May 15th, 2025, we see the total unlocked of Zbcn that was supposed to happen, or that's happening, right? So 2.12 billion Zbcn worth 3.4 million. And a lot of comments, I read a lot of the comments, and people were saying, oh, this unlocked, the price is going to come crashing all the way down, all that type of stuff. And I did make a video. I said that I wouldn't be necessarily too worried about it because we've seen this many times in the past, and the price just easily rebounds, and that's exactly what we're seeing today. You know, I want you guys to actually take in some of these comments over here to the right. So this person says, Zbcn is the only asset in the green out of my 80 cryptos, loading up more Zebec right now before it takes off again. That was posted 17 hours ago. This person posted, Zbcn is built different. We're in green when the market is red. That was posted 5 hours ago. And then this one right here, Zbcn over 2 billion unlocked into supply, and Zebec handled it like a champ. There's definitely something special about Zebec. I will always hold a minimum of 3 million long term, as I do believe in due time, let's continue reading this, in due time, it'll crush $1. So as you can see, people just remain insanely bullish on Zbcn. No matter what the price does, people are still holding this thing for the long term because they definitely believe in it. And sometimes that's what you just got to do in the crypto space. If you've done your research and you strongly believe in something, you just got to hold through the tough times. And that seems to be what people are doing with Zbcn because they just know what they hold. Now, if Zbcn was to reach a price of $1, that would mean it's a upside of 623x, and that will bring the market cap to about 78.6 billion. If Zbcn touches $1, that would be incredible. Anything is possible in the crypto space. We see it time and time again. People will always say that this project will never reach this level, and then it reaches that level, and then they find another project to attack and say this project will never reach that level, and then it reaches that level. Then they find another project to attack. The space that we're in is absolutely hilarious, but people remain extremely bullish here. Read a couple more of these comments here. So this person says, it's funny when everything is red, Zbcn is going up, and opposite way when they are green, Zbcn is going down. And that's just the way that it has been. It's just absolutely hilarious. And I'll be honest, I'll take that. You know, the market goes up, Zbcn wants to correct a bit. Market goes down, Zbcn wants to go up. Why not? It's a great balance for the portfolio, in my personal opinion here, right? But let's get into a couple good news here. All right, so check this out. So this was posted just 40 minutes ago, depending on when you watch this video, of course, but sponsor spotlight Zebec card. So at Solana Spaces, we're thrilled to showcase the Zebec Carbon card, Zebec's newest crypto card. Load, reload, and spend up to $10,000 per card in Solana, USDC, Zbcn, Bonk, and more. Powered by MasterCard, privacy focused and compatible with Apple Pay and Google Pay, exclusive giveaways. And yeah, so it's just more bullish news that we continue to see for Zbcn, the Zebec card. So I don't understand how one cannot actually be bullish on this thing. Now, my last video, I spoke about if you can get Zbcn at this golden zone, which at this point, I don't know if it's going to happen because Zbcn didn't really correct that much through that unlock period. But yeah, the golden zone would have been all the way down here, 0007, but that might not happen. Matter of fact, here on this indicator, Trade Assist, you'll find it down below, lets you know it's a good time to buy and sell crypto and when there's a bullish and bearish momentum happening. But we just got a buy signal. Well, this buy signal was actually a couple days ago on the 4-hour time frame, right? So a couple days ago, we got that buy signal. We are in this bullish momentum that's still going on. Zbcn did double bottom like I spoke about in my last video at 0.0014. It reached there on the 12th and then again on the 14th. You know, that was actually kind of quick. And right now it's on its way up. On the day though, it reached as high as 0.0017 and right now it's sitting at 0.0016. So this could be the start of another rally. We're going to see how things actually play out. But considering that Zbcn did have a nice run, you know, there need to be some sort of a cool off period. And that's probably what we saw right here when the price went all the way up to 0.0021 and then came all the way down to 0.0014, right? Also, this could be because people were selling thinking that there was going to be a massive dump that occurred because of the token unlock. But like I said earlier, we've been through this many times before with the token unlock and the price always just, it bottoms out somewhere and then continues to make its way back up. So in terms of price action, I'm not really worried about what's going on with Zbcn. The price is going to continue to do its thing. Whether it wants to go down, go back up, it's going to continue to do its thing. It's just, we're in a very volatile space, all right? But the way to make life-changing returns in crypto is you got to get into these promising projects where the market cap is super, super low and the returns is just out of this world. So when I take a look at Zbcn and I see the market cap sitting at 123 million, those are life-changing potential market cap levels, in my personal opinion, right? But it's up to you at the end of the day what you want to do. And as we can see here, as far as token unlocks go, we're going to continue to experience these, all right? Like there's another one next month, the month after that, for every single month. But this is just what we're going to have to go through, unfortunately. And as long as the price continues to rally, does it really matter? Because I've been in coins where people kept talking about token unlocks. It's going to come crashing all the way down. People kept saying like bad tokenomics and stuff like that. Like it brings me back to last bull cycle with Gala Games. People kept talking about the tokenomics and then Gala Games literally just skyrocketed. So as long as the buy pressure outweighs the sell pressure, the coin is just going to explode, right? It's just the way that it goes. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly make this Zbcn video because I was watching it today. I'm like, token unlock, coin is going up in the opposite direction from the market. Market is bleeding. Zbcn is going up. I'm like, this is nothing new, but I'm here for it. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.